Hey, you guys. Um, a couple of years ago, I took a tour of all the Nevada state parks that I could camp in, and went to those and videoed them. There was one that I avoided because I was reading the reviews that it was a big party place. You don't plan on getting any sleep, and it's just young kids getting drunk and loud. And anyway, so I decided to try it anyway. I did talk to the ranger, and she said, "Well, that's the other side is really a big party place, and that they have some problems over there. But the one I'm in isn't that bad." And so I thought, yeah, I'll give it a shot anyway. And so because I do like our state parks, they're very clean. The employees are wonderful. Anyway, so I am here at South Fork Recreation Area, south of Elko. And a smaller lake, in my opinion, compared to the other ones that I've been at, somewhat. But yeah, it's really nice here, and it's typical. Doesn't surprise me how nice it is. So here's some shots of it. I drove around and got a few shots, and just kind of hanging out, enjoying it. And they got the covers. I've got a great spot, I think, and so enjoy the rest of the video, and we'll see you on the next one. I can even have a fountain. Nice little water fountain while I'm camping. Okay, I drove over on the west side of the reservoir where they say all the partiers go. But you can see it over there. I'm hoping to get pictures. I took this little side road and it just stopped. So, but my camp way over there on the other side, so I'm just kind of checking out the area. All right. Now I know why they're all packed in here, because they're so close to the shore on this side. On the other side, there's a big hill you have to walk way down. So I can understand the popularity here if you have a watercraft. Hey, 2 years ago, I did a tour of the Good God, Karen. Oh, jeez. Just about fell on my ass. All right, let's try that again.